What up? What up? It's the guy J-Rock. Back with another unboxing. This one isn't live. I couldn't freaking wait to go live, so this is recorded. We got a set of Denon SC6000Ms in. And so these will complement our Rane 12 MK2s. So sometimes we'll spin on these, sometimes we'll spin on the MK2s. Just depends on what the event is. But this will be part of our, what's the name of the new package? Aquila. This is part of our new Aquila wedding package. So, tape. Oh, most importantly, shout out to B Love for making this possible. Shout out for Denon for creating the technology. And shout out to the Washington Music Center for facilitating the transaction. Now let's get to it. One stick of tape across. Jeez. So the shipping box, then you have the retail box. The unit has built-in Wi-Fi, standalone stream ready, includes 3 months of title. Since I got 2 of these, can I use 3 months and then wait and use the second one for another 3 months and have a 6 months? So, title and Beatport and SoundCloud, you can load songs up and stream and play them directly from the unit. Think about requests. You got this Bama old song or Bama new song? Yeah, I got that. So now I just gotta convert my Spotify playlist to Tidal playlist. There's an app for that. So, taking out the retail box. It's a little damaged. I guess UPS had a hard time. So let's do it the easy way. Flip it upside down. Hey, this box went through some trauma doing shipping and transport. So, then we have the back of the box, 10.1 inch touchscreen. You know the size of your iPad screen? This is the size of your iPad screen. No more looking at the situation. Engine iOS, Engine Prime, Stage Link, Sound Switch, time code, and Resolume support. So you can control light shows, sync up your light shows directly. Sound Switch, I've been a Chavez Show Express guy, but Sound Switch, if y'all want to send me a copy to test with this, I would be more than happy to test that out for you. So, whoo! This joker almost gives you a boner. Alright, so 2 pieces of tape on the end. Jeez. Voila. Woo! Here we have, this is more than likely gonna be the Platter. where the Rane 12s have a 12-inch platter, this has an 8.5-inch platter. Where the NS7, I think, had a 4-inch platter, or whatever size the 45 is, maybe 7-inch. So it's like the best of both worlds. It's not too big that it'd be hard to transport, but not too small that you can't rock out. Nice solid platter too. And the record is in there. So we'll set that over there. They give you, I'm gonna have to take the unit out first. Get the unit out. They give you cables galore. They give you USB extension cable. They give you 2 sets of RCAs. They give you an Ethernet cable as well as a USB. So pretty much every cable that you need to get going, they give you. Also in the box, oh, that's pretty cool. You have your instruction manual. They give you a VIP lanyard. All access to something. We'll see what type of promotion setups are that. Some screws in here. Oh, that's for the hard drive. Yeah, I forgot to mention. Oh, stickers. I forgot to mention that you can put a hard drive inside, so you don't have to use a laptop. All your music can be directly on the unit. They're actually not that heavy. Got your power cord. They got it packed like a Christmas present. Oh my. Your auto loop, manual loop, sensor reverse, track skip, beat jump, start stop, your hot cues, fader, pinch bend, turn your motor on and off, sync button, but we'll remap that. Scroll through the songs, your layers, sources, shortcuts, view, media eject, and it's a 10.1 inch touchscreen. It's the equivalent of having a full iPad screen. The equivalent of having a full iPad screen. So I'm about to take it. I'm about to take it to the studio and get it set up. So as soon as we reach the studio and get the lights and the air conditioning going, we will show y'all the unit in action. Now we got 2 of these, so we only unboxed one for the video, but we do have 2. Deuce. Oh, it says say Dolph on those Dolph trays. Nacho cream. The first video on YouTube of somebody dropping a Denon SC6000m. Alright. Now that it's unboxed, we're going to take it downstairs, get it hooked up and configured. And before I go, I'm gonna turn the camera around on B-Love. I need her to say one thing, and that is bang, bang, we got it.
Ow.
Peace.
Bang, bang, we got it. Ow.
Smoking on the low, I just been plotting on the low, speeding on the low, the farthest thing from perfect. I know, and I hate that shit. Busy running this to run home to you. You know that paper, my passion. Keep you in diamonds and leather.
Friends that tell me I should leave you alone.
Tell the fix to find a man in
Power Jam DJs, power up.